Here we are at, I think they're called Apple Valley Cruisers. Show and shine in OK Falls every Wednesday afternoon / evening. We got lots of kick-ass cars here. Just gonna do a little walk around. You guys can see there's Mark's GTO. If anyone's looking for a 70 GTO, it's for sale, convertible. Hit me up. You can see there's a bit of everything here. Name it. It's here.
Okay, I didn't know he had his daughter. So when I saw it on Facebook, I put two and two together.
Look at the mechanic's hand. What are we gonna do?
Couple of really nice Tri-5 Chevys here I'm about to show you. And I'm trying not to rush through this, but there's quite a few cars here. Like I said, this is just kind of a weekly thing at the Legion in OK Falls. These guys here, Jesus Christ. Every Wednesday night, OK Falls Legion in BC.
You got zoomies on it. I know. Don't you hear one? Oh, that is working on it.
Almost to the end, but not quite. Try and get most of the cars in here in a relatively short video. Pretty cool little dart swinger over there, if you're into that sort of thing. Anyway, pretty cool little show. We're just getting busier every week here.
Those look like a good setup. Yeah. Because they both bond.
Okay, Falls Legion every Wednesday.